Hi, welcome back. I'm Elena Rugal, and today I'm going to share with you my new pattern. It is going to be adorable and in the same time simple edge border. It consists of only one row. The base of such border is complex stitch with picots. You can use such pattern to create border or bracelet, belt or necklace. Also, this pattern can be perfect to create bookmark. For this project, you need to have some tools. Let's get started crocheting. Let's look at my chart. For work, you need a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn and 1.4 crochet steel hook. So let's begin my edge border. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 30. 1. Pattern consists of 7 stitches and has 1 row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. My foundation chain is ready. In this video also you will see the chart or diagram for this pattern. The chart was made by my studio. Let's crochet the additional row. Now I'm working with double crochet. You can crochet any stitch. Make a chain of 3 to bring up the yarn, then yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the 5th chain stitch away from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the 5th chain stitch, make double crochet. Yarn over the hook and make double crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. I have done a row of double crochet stitches, and now I show you how to crochet edge border. For the next row, make a chain instead of single crochet. Now turn the work, then chain of 3 for the chain space 1, 2, 3. Then make yarn over the hook 5 times. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hold all loops with my finger. I skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the 5th stitch of the previous row. Pull up a loop. Pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The quadruple treble crochet stitch is ready. Then make chain of 3 for the picot. 1, 2, 3 chains. Insert the hook into 2 loops of the tall stitch and make slip stitch. My first picot is ready. Now I'm working with pair of horizontal strands. I insert the hook into the first pair of horizontal strands. I count from the top and make single crochet. Then chain 3 for the picot. 1, 2, 3. Work with the slip stitch into 2 loops of the single crochet. Then yarn over the hook, make half double crochet into the next pair of horizontal strands, like this. Then chain 3 for the picot. 1, 2, 3. I insert the hook into 3 loops. Take the working yarn, pull it through. The picot is ready. Make double crochet into the next pair of horizontal strands. I insert the hook into 2 loops and make double crochet. Chain 3 for the picot and work with the slip stitch. Then treble crochet, yarn over the hook twice and make treble crochet into the next pair of horizontal strands. Then chain 3 for the picot. Here what I have: crochet the picot, chain 3 for the picot and work with a slip stitch into 2 loops. Then double treble crochet stitch into the next pair of horizontal strands. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. Chain 3 for the picot and work with the slip stitch into 2 loops of the tall stitch. Well done. My complex stitch border is ready. In total it should be 6 picots. It looks like a tree, so very beautiful. Then I will begin the next one and you will continue by yourself. Let's crochet. Yarn over the hook 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I skip 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Insert the hook into the 7th one. Insert the hook into the 7th stitch. I count from the last complex stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then chain 3 for the picot. Work with the slip stitch into 2 loops of the tall stitch. Then you should crochet in the same way as I showed you before. Make single crochet into the first pair of horizontal strands. Chain 3 for the picot. Then half double crochet with picot and so on. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Then I show you how to complete such row together. After I have done my complex stitches, they look like a tree. Let's complete this row together. Chain 3 for the chain space. I insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch. 1, 2, 3. Make single crochet. My row is ready. Let's stop and look at my example. My trim edge border is ready. This one consists of 6 such complex stitches or 6 trees. I remind you, pattern consists of 7 stitches and has 1 row. Let's look at this side. I turn it upside down. Also, it can be perfect for bookmark, bracelet, necklace, or choker, or belt. Please don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more. Thank you so much for watching. It was Elena Rugal. See you in the next video. Bye!